Start method: one-touch start, remote start, manual start. Turn the knob to open the cover. Turn counterclockwise and unscrew the oil gauge. Use the funnel in the kit to add the oil. Fill up to 2/3 of the oil dipstick for a full tank. Open the tank cap and fill with gasoline. Be careful that the gasoline does not exceed 13.5 L. One-touch start. Turn on the electric switch and the gasoline switch. Long press the one-button switch to start. Manual start. Turn on the electric switch and the gasoline switch. Pull firmly on the rope to start the generator. Remote start. Turn on the electric switch and the gasoline switch. Press and hold the key to turn on and off the generator. Turn off the generator. Turn off the electric switch and the gasoline switch. LPG connection port. Connect the LPG tank here before starting the generator. Maintenance. Cleaning the air filter. Turn the 3 knobs to open the cover. Unscrew the knob to open the air filter cover. Remove and clean the filter element, then reinstall it back in place. Change the oil. Unscrew the knob to open the cover. Unscrew the lid and tilt the fuselage to release the remaining oil.